This is Ty West with SkipperBud's Lake Fenton. And this is a 2022 Sylvan RLZ. This is a 23-foot boat. This is called the L3 RLZ again. Really nice styling. This one is black and champagne for an exterior. Tan interior. We'll step in. You have dual chase loungers up front. Nice sound systems built into these, JL audio. You'll see a changing station as well that's standard on all Sylvans, and that can be folded away right back into its compartment there. And there's your co-captain's chair. Got a couple cup holders there for you. Nice helm here, really easy to look at, nice design, very simple. Got the trim gauge built in there as well. You do have a tilt wheel on your steering wheel. Again, this is a JL audio. It is a Bluetooth connection, so you can just pair your phones right up to it. Really nice feature. This one is a 2-tune, so it holds 12 person capacity on this boat. Also comes with a power bimini top. Here's why it's called the RLZ. So this has two rear areas here, two booth setups that be that can be converted into a rear facing lounge that you see here. So it's a really nice feature, and it doesn't really stop there actually. So let's take this. So you could normally put a table right there, just like you see on this side. And of course that table can come out and you can turn that into a lounger. Or if you just want to kind of maximize your seating, if you're underway and want people facing forward, there you go. That will actually convert to forward facing seats. Kind of like a bus almost, you know, so you've got that on both sides. So really cool feature, Sylvan exclusive. This is the 2022 Sylvan RLZ, available here at SkipperBud's Lake Fenton Marina. Come check it out.